Are you sick again?
No, no, just hanging out.
Where's Jax? Are you sick again?
No, no, just hanging out.
Hey.
Just digesting.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
We're Dave and Shirley from Down the Road We Go.
Oh,
we follow you. And
oh, cool. Very nice to meet you guys.
we knew you were going to be out here, so we thought we'd take a ride out.
Yeah, cool. Well, welcome to base camp here over at the Skoolie Palooza.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll roll with it's coming.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you still.
Claire.
Yeah, hey Claire. We're Dave and Shirley. Yeah.
She's back. You haven't seen that video yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, she can't seem to get rid of her.
Well, you know. There's nothing wrong with that. You know.
Yeah. I just added a couple new things here.
Yeah.
You guys haven't seen yet because it's in a new video. I'm about a week behind reality.
Oh, yeah.
So we got some succulents.
Uh-oh.
And a little cactus, and that's gonna go right here.
Oh, that'd be neat.
Maybe something right here. That's for Ozia. That's for Eric. Pneumatic Kinetic.
Yeah.
That's a surprise though, so if they're watching.
Oh.
Earmuffs.
Well, here we got something for you.
Yeah? You got a little something, something?
Yeah.
Alright.
You can stick that someplace.
Alright. I'll put that on my my computer actually.
Cool.
Right on. Thanks. Alright, here.
That was.
This is neat though.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks. So this is, you know, this is what it looks like when I'm parked for a couple days and things, you know, come out from storage and stuff like that. I'm gonna add some more light. There we go.
See, dear, we'd only need a few more windows. We might fit.
Yeah. I think everybody knows about the dump trunk that's
Yeah.
in videos.
Yeah.
Yep.
The dump trunk is a little full, and I'm not really sure what to do with it. And then we have the memory foam mattress back here, and it is awesome. You ever slept on a memory foam mattress?
Oh, yeah, we've got, on top of our mattress, well, we got 4 inches.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It's the only way to go.
Yeah, so I have the yoga bed, and someone came up to me the other day and was like, oh, actually the guy in the red bus, he's like, I bought a yoga bed just because of you. He's like, it's awesome.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter what brand it is, but if it's one of those nice thick ones that comes in a little small box to your doorstep.
Yeah, and you open it up.
Yeah, they're so awesome. They're so neat. So, and we have a little storage area. I just did a little remodeling on
Oh, you
New
did, didn't
Year's
you?
Day. I still haven't edited the video that's supposed to post today, but that would be January 2nd.
Yeah.
And I cleaned the house in here on the 1st and the 2nd, so.
We always like that because of the way it's so rough, you know?
Yeah, yeah, so all this wood I got at a reclaimed wood store in Salt Lake City, and you just purchase it by the board square foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, apparently this is from the 1890s because there's a couple square nails in there or something. Honestly, I have no idea how old it is.
Oh, yeah, it's old.
It looks cool.
If it's got square nails in it, it's old.
Yeah, it's old. It's cool. I just thought it would be fun to do something a little bit different. That one up front there is really nice if you take the time to read that one there.
Oh, yeah.
So, kind of fit me
that's
pretty well.
Yeah. Bus rules.
Hey.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
Yeah, that's where the bus rules actually
bus
used
rules.
to be. Yeah, 1 through 10.
Yeah. Sit down, be quiet.
Yeah, these are the updated bus rules, a bit more, you know, spiritual, I guess.
Nice slick.
No, I really
So,
like this. This is
yeah.
neat.
Yeah, and then, you know, under here is all the power and stuff. And then here's some of my receipts that I organized from the 2nd. That's about as far as they went. Of course, I was playing Jenga the other day, so it's my favorite
That's
game.
a fun game.
It is a fun game.
Yeah, yeah. It's one of the, I could even probably play it with myself too.
Yeah.
The right versus left hand.
Yeah, yeah. Why'd you do that? I don't know. Why'd you do that?
But yeah, and then I have the power all under here. I have a 2,000 watt inverter, 300 amp hour battery, a little heater hooked up to the coolant, you know, to the engine, and then there's a little 50 amp charge I get off the alternator. It's called a battery combiner.
Right, yeah.
A bunch of RVs have the capability to charge while they drive, and
Yeah.
a lot of school buses don't. And so I have new batteries because I screwed up my old ones after
Yeah, we saw that.
Man, but that's how it is.
But, yeah.
You know, with the DIY, you know, kind of school bus thing.
You kind of learn as you go.
You live and you learn, and you know, bus number 2 is going to be a lot better than this bus, and it'll be a lot different in many ways.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you learn from one.
Yeah.
What you don't like about the first one, you know, put
Yeah.
that in the second one.
Yep.
And I've talked to quite a few, you know, people around here too in their school buses, and they pretty much say the same thing.
Yeah.
You know, it's a learning process.
Oh, yeah.
And one guy was in advertising, you know, and he built the whole thing all by himself, and you know, he taught himself plumbing, solar, electricity, woodworking, cabinetry, you know, all this stuff.
Yeah.
And this is really handy stuff that a lot of young people these days don't really learn.
That's true.
Right.
There's a gap of tradesmen, and it just kind of leapfrogged over the newest
There's no shop
generation.
in schools anymore.
Everybody's,
Yeah.
you know, glued to their cell phones and, you know, has some computer desk job, and
Yep.
a lot of people don't work with their hands anymore. I kind of wish I could stop what I was doing for a year and go apprentice with someone, so then bus number 2 would be even better.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You know,
yeah.
learn some mechanics and woodworking and electricity and all the important things. Those are
Yeah.
things those are jobs that you could never outsource to.
No.
You know, those jobs are always going to be in demand.
A lot of people don't realize that you can make a lot of money being a plumber.
Yeah.
You make more than a lawyer sometimes if he's not a good lawyer, you know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can make a lot of money in a trade.
There's nothing wrong with that either.
No.
Nothing wrong. You
It's
know,
good
it's nice
work.
to work with your hands
Yeah.
too. You know.
You go home at night and forget what you did that day.
Yeah.
Don't have to worry about it.
Yeah. Plus, if you're not, you know, if you don't really like school and that studying's not your thing, I suppose, you know, you could do plumbing. And
Yeah.
Not that everybody's, you know, not smart that does plumbing, but
Yeah.
you know, it's if you like to work with your hands, and that's
It's a trade that you can learn real
yeah,
easy. So.
yeah, definitely.
Well,
Good tips.
Thanks again.
Hey,
it was
thanks
good
for coming
meeting you.
by. Heck yeah.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet the
Nice
both of
meeting
you.
you.
Yeah, hope to see you guys again over at
Oh.
the RTR.
We're going to go out there because, you know, Eric and all them guys. So,
Yeah,
We
perfect.
follow all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It'll be fun.
Yeah. All right. Well, I
Thank you,
suppose
Claire.
Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. So we just met with Jax Austin, and man, it was great. He's a great guy. If you ever get a chance to meet him, you know, chase his bus down. You got the solar in the whole 9 yards, huh?
Yeah, 1,500 watts. Wow. Power, yeah. Just under 50, like 1480 something.
Yeah. How long did it take you to build it?
It was built for us. It took
Oh, did you?
about-
Oh,
it
okay.
took I think it took them about a year. It was built for a TV show called Best Life Ever.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Whoa, this is nice.
Shut just so we don't break that glass.
Raising the roof really makes a difference, doesn't it?
So yeah, this is
My
the
God.
where you're standing is the original height. It's okay. This freaking pops out.
Oh. So this is the original height right
This
here?
is the original, yeah. So you'd be like this normally,
Yeah.
and then yeah, this is the 15 inches, which is a whole lot of room.
That really helps. Yeah.
But it's like more of like a hide bed that folds out, and it'll fold all the way to the end here. It'll be about a king size instead of a full.
Oh, cool.
And we have 4 of us, so we all plop on that.
Yeah.
We don't need to because there's their loft for the kids.
They like it down here.
And at our old place, we had a king size bed, and we've always been like that, a pretty close family, so we've all popped in the bed since they're both born. So.
Yeah.
Like they're comfortable sleeping by themselves or with us. So if it's too hot, we're like, hey, you guys are going up there.
Yeah.
So this is an not old, but it's a toolbox. Now they just put a new top on, and then you can lift it if you need to. But
I've seen them use things like that.
yeah, it's neat. It's really fun. I mean, smart idea because all the doors are like,
Lock in.
yeah, they're full of stuff right now. There's all the bus empty, like all the paper for the bus. But it's cool because you can lock. You know, every one of them's locked.
Yeah.
The only downer is like when we drive. It's like that.
Oh.
But there's all our solar information.
Oh, okay.
Up here, here's illegal stuff. No, it's not illegal. And we have 93%. Which tells all like how much we're getting in and how much battery we're using at one time. But like we have 1,500 watts, so we have quite a bit. We don't worry about it. But it's pretty big. There's a little back over there, and they have like a little basket for the
Bet the kids really like that.
They love it.
Like their playhouse.
Their own little space.
Right here, a swing hangs down so they can swing.
I like that.
So it's a composting toilet.
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
That's cool.
We didn't even know people did like these tour things. We're like, oh shoot, we gotta clean it up. We're living like we've been traveling so much. We've been.
Where have you been?
This is where we've been.
Oh,
So
okay.
the bus was built here, Corpus Christi, is where I picked it up. And then me and my dad, we didn't. Side story, I didn't really hang out with him or see him much as a kid, just because he was like a drug problem, then he went to prison and stuff. But now he's doing really good. So when I found out about the bus and after it got built, we did a little road trip down there together. It was really fun. So we got it here, and we drove all the way back through here.
Oh, okay.
So now, we live in Seattle, so we picked up all them, and then the bus had a lot of work we had to do on the inside to make it ready to actually drive on the road and live in it. So we stayed there for like 2 months, and now we've been traveling. We've been all through here.
Well, thank you for the tour. Do you have a channel or anything, or what?
It's on Instagram.
On Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your...
Jeremy Beach.
Jeremy Beach?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
We'll look for you.
Yeah, I like that.
Thank you.
What's one of your guys?
Well, Down the Road We Go. We have a Facebook and YouTube channel.
Oh, you do? Yeah, we haven't done the YouTube thing. We're trying to get that video. I've been doing photo for 12 years, so
Oh, okay.
I like things that don't move.
Yeah.
My pictures are still.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've
Been doing
YouTube
it
since what,
April. Yeah,
Oh,
last April. So, yeah.
Nice. Just documenting your travels and stuff.
Right.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Here, you get that on YouTube. Look at
Oh
that.
yeah, I will. I have no cards anymore. My wife's like, we gotta
That's
try
all
to
right.
get more made
Yeah.
on the road. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thanks a lot.
Oh yeah, thank you. I'm gonna hop
Bye,
out.
kids. Okay, guys, we're going to close out this video here. We really had fun out at Skoolie Palooza and meeting Jax Austin. He's a great guy, a lot of fun, easy to get along with, and we really enjoyed meeting him and Claire. So if you get a chance, jump over to his channel. It's Jax Austin on Facebook and YouTube, and we'll put a link down below. So thanks for watching again, guys. We're really having fun out here in Courtside, and make sure you subscribe, give us a like, and we'll catch you down the road we go.